Okay, show Avery. What else is there?
That's red.
That's red, Avery.
It's red.
What else?
It's dead.
What is this?
That's green.
Show Avery.
Green.
And what shape is it? Triangle?
It's not a shape.
It's a triangle shape.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. What else can you show Avery?
I just hang in the back.
Show Avery this. Show Avery this.
Look, Avery.
What is that?
That is ketchup, Avery.
Oh, he said yum yum. Yum yum, brother. That looks yummy.
You like it? You like it? Triangle?
I like it. Can I see it?
See?
Oh, cool.
Don't want you, Mickey.
I don't want my binky. I spit it out. Do you want it, Avery?
Look, Avery.
Oh,
I put it back now.
you putting it back now?
¿Quieres enviar un banana?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye.
No,
Okay, bye-bye, Avery.
Huh?
Bye-bye.
Oh, eat this one.
That one.
I opened it for you.
Bye-bye.